Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are safe in your home. From class 2nd English reader, in previous video, we did answer the following questions. Question number 1, 2 and 3. Today, we will learn and write question number 4 and 5. So, are you ready students? Take your pencil and write with me with speaking. Okay. Question number 4. How did Bar Frog enjoy at the seashore? Bar Frog समुद्र के किनारे किस तरह एंजॉय किया करता था? आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज he jumped J-U M-P-E-D jumped F-R-E-E-L-Y freely H-E-A-R here and T-H-E-R-E there. He jumped freely here and there. वो फ्री होकर यहाँ से वहाँ जंप कर रहा था. इस तरह बार फ्रॉग सी शोर में एंजॉय कर रहा था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Why did Bar Frog wish to go back to the well? Bar Frog अपने घर वापस जाने की विश क्यों कर रहा था? उसका घर कहाँ था? कुआं ही उसका घर था. तो बार फ्रॉग अपने कुएं में वापस क्यों जाना चाहता था? आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज Bar Frog B-A-R-B bar F-R-O-G frog W-I-S-H wish to go B-A-C-K back to the well because B-E-C-A-U-S-E because T-H-E-R-E there W-E-R-E were no S-N-A-H small I-N-S-E-C-T-S insects for E-A-T-I-N-G eating. Bar Frog wished to go back to the well because there were no small insects for eating. बार फ्रॉग अपने कुएं में वापस जाना चाहता था क्योंकि वहां उसके खाने के लिए स्मॉल इंसेक्ट्स नहीं थे. कहां? समुद्र के किनारे. स्टूडेंट्स, रिपीट अगेन ऑल क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. फर्स्ट है वेयर डिड बार फ्रॉग लिव? आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज बार फ्रॉग लिव्ड इन अ well. Question number 2. What did the big frog say about the sea? Answer to this question is the big frog said the sea is a very big place full of water. Number 3. How did Bar Frog reach the washerman's house? Answer to this question is One day he at once jumped into the washerman's pitcher. Thus he reached the washerman's house. Question number 4. How did Bar Frog enjoy it at the seashore? Answer to this question is he jumped freely here and there. Question number 5. Why did Bar Frog wish to go back to the well? Answer to this question is because there were no small insects for eating. Students, that's it for today. Today's homework is learn and write in your English reader copy. Okay, students.